Finally, there's a sunny and dry day, and I can test the boat. This is how I pack up and carry the pontoons and the frame. I have really improved in the boat assembly of my 21st design. There are only 3 main pieces, 2 pontoons and the frame. All I have to do is to insert the pontoons onto the frame, and then add a lashing at each end of the frame. The long lashings I have slowed me down. If I size the lashing correctly and use the plastic buckles, the assembly time could be much shorter. I reused the seat cushions from my old boat. It turned out to be very comfortable. It took me about 4 minutes to assemble this boat. There have been a lot of rain, and the river water level have gone up so much that I can launch the boat right next to where I park my car. You can see the normal water level in this video taken last year. Structurally, this boat is the most robust boat I have ever built. This has to do with the materials I used. I feel comfortable to replace my Gen 17 with this boat and use it for crabbing next month. The river condition was not suitable for boat testing. The water was at 50 degrees Fahrenheit and I was not dressed for that. The water was very fast and I have to paddle very hard to move the boat against the current. The boat is holding up very well. I used only 2 lashings to hold the pontoons together, and I have spare lashings just in case. But the 2 lashings work well. I will put more lashings when I go to the Pacific coast with this boat. Because of the turbulence, I cannot really tell how well the tracking is. Again, this is very subjective and I have to compare that with my other boats. I will make a better footrest so as to make the paddling more enjoyable. I'm using my new Insta360 camera and I like it. This boat is 9 feet 5 inches long, even though it's a pontoon boat, and it turns very easily. The boat is 34 inches wide and it is very, very stable. It took me a lot of effort to rock it. As I was rocking the boat, I afraid my camera may fall into the water. In this boat test, the main item I have to check out is the innovative folding pontoon hinge. Will there be too much stress on the hinge? Will the aluminum frame stop the excessive sagging at the midsection of the boat? I will have a detailed video to discuss that. My assessment is the design works well. As I look at the drafts of the boat, there is about half an inch of sagging at the middle, which is okay. When I was standing and the weight is mainly in the front of the pontoon and I don't see any noticeable sagging in the middle. I will be doing some more tests at the Pacific coast. The boat weighs 25 pounds. If I change 2 components, I believe I can bring the overall weight down to 23 pounds. Yes, it will still be exceeding my 20-pound goal, but I'm still very happy with the final result. If you find this video interesting, please give me a thumbs up. Or even better, to support me by subscribing to my channel, and I promise I will make more videos. If you want more details in building this boat, please let me know, so I will prioritize what video to make next. My next step is to change this boat into a sailboat. Please stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.